Hey guys, I just wanted to make sure that you know that your health insurance costs might have just got cut in half. Back in January, the American Rescue Plan dumped almost $2 trillion on the American people in the form of stimulus checks, unemployment expansion, for vaccine rollouts, grants for schools and small businesses. I'm sure there's a bunch of pork in there too. Right. One thing that's kind of flown under the radar though is a major change to the subsidy structure to the healthcare.gov marketplace insurance plans. What this means for you is if you get your insurance through the marketplace, you might see your premiums drop significantly. I posted a video about this last week that covers how the subsidies have changed from last year to this year and how they've removed the subsidy cliff that could screw over somebody that makes just a little too much money. Be sure to check out that video. I go into a lot of detail, maybe too much. I just want to re-up this message, make sure that you know that this is a benefit that's available to you, and I want to show you exactly how you can find out how much savings you can expect. Now, the new prices should have gone into effect on April 1st. No fooling. I live in Pennsylvania. We use Penny for our marketplace. That's something they just rolled out this year. They don't have the new pricing in place yet. No matter where you live and if the new prices are being reflected on your marketplace yet, I'm going to show you right now how to find an estimate of what your savings should be under the American Rescue Plan. Now, walk with me, if you will, over to healthcare.gov, first to see that new lower costs are here. Find health coverage now. Now, if you live in a state that has a different marketplace, they're going to shoot you over there. So when you start to create your account, and I select Pennsylvania, Penny is what they're going to redirect me to. Even more savings are coming soon. So I still have to wait a little bit before I can actually apply for the new rates. But don't worry, you have until August 15th now to sign up for coverage through the marketplace. So no rush. You got plenty of time to shop around and find a plan that works for you. So let's find out how much I might be able to save though. Let's click on Savings Calculator. And scroll down here, and they are using the same calculator I used earlier. It's from the Kaiser Family Foundation. You can just plug in your state, enter income as, I'm just going to do an estimate. Let's say you're planning on making $80,000 this year. Is coverage available from your or your spouse's job? Now, a little caveat here. If you can get health insurance through your employer or through your spouse's employer, you might not be eligible to get these rates from the marketplace. And I don't know for sure how the American Rescue Plan has affected rates through private insurance. So this really is more for people who are self-employed or don't have benefits through their work. Just putting that out there. So let's continue on. Number of people in family, my wife and 3 kids. Now they want to know the number, even if you're not insuring them all, because I'm not going to enroll my kids. I'm going to get them covered through CHIP. And I'm only going to cover myself and my wife through the marketplace. They use the number of people in your family to determine how much your income is above or below the federal poverty level, and that fluctuates with the number of people in your family. Click Submit, and then they spit out a little report here. Estimated financial help, $549 per month. And based on that, the average rate of a silver tier health insurance plan will cost about $295 per month. That is a lot of savings. Without financial help, it would cost $844 per month. Now again, they're giving you an estimate based on one type of health insurance plan. You could pay even less for a bronze insurance plan. If you haven't shopped health insurance from the marketplace before, they have bronze, silver, and gold tiers. It's increasing quality of coverage. The higher you go, the more you have to pay in monthly premiums, but the less you have to pay in out-of-pocket expenses and the lower your deductible. You dig into this as you will, but one thing that is kind of fun, I'm such a nerd, look at the old version of their calculator. The Kaiser Family Foundation has kept old versions of their calculators with previous year's premiums and subsidy rates and all of that stuff. This one is 2021's premiums. So let's plug in the same numbers. Non-smokers. Submit. Estimated financial help would only be $267. Estimated cost would be $577 per month. So that's almost a complete reversal. So before the stimulus, you'd have to pay 8.65% of your income for a silver plan on the marketplace. Now, going back to the new calculator, you're paying only 4.43%. You're almost cutting your health insurance premiums in half. That's a pretty big deal. And as I unpacked in my previous video, that's a much bigger deal than a direct payment. Everyone's wondering if there's going to be more stimulus checks. I say you got like 4 or 5 stimulus checks right here in the benefit of health insurance savings. So be sure to check this out. If you're self-employed or you're not eligible for benefits through your workplace and you are shopping for health insurance on healthcare.gov or your state's marketplace, you could potentially be saving more money than people who do get insurance through their employer. Think about that. I don't know how long these new rates are going to last, but it's something that's available now, so go and take advantage of it. Save yourself some money. Take care of your family. You might have more savings or less savings. It's all based on your income, family size, and a few other factors. That's why they have the calculator to help you figure that out. I will link to those in the description below to both versions so you can see what you would have paid and what you can expect to pay now with the American Rescue Plan. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you'll spread the word to anybody you know who might be eligible for insurance through the marketplace. Like I said, I just haven't seen a lot of talk about this. Maybe if you're already in the marketplace, you're getting some notifications about some of these rate changes. But it's easy for stuff to get lost in your inbox. That's why I'm recording this video, because more people are going to watch this video than check their emails. That's why I need your help to spread the word to your friends and family who might be able to benefit from this. Hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm knows that more people should be watching this video because it's really good stuff. And subscribe for more practical tips and tricks for people who are taking their side gig to their center gig. That's a new little tagline I'm playing around with. And I will see you in the next one.